Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be recreating the look I had on Monday because I accidentally deleted all the footage. I thought I was done with it and I was messing with my new camera. This is my new camera, so guess we get to find out how it works. I'm having issues with the sound, so hopefully I can fix it because I have to recreate this today, edit it today, figure out the audio and put it up because I deleted it. I was gonna edit it last night, had it all filmed, you know that. Anyways, we're gonna recreate it. So I am going to be making it's kind of a neutral but elegant eye. Simple. It's a simple. Not simple as in easy to do, but simple as in not so ginormously bold. Anyways, we're going to start off using my Essence Intensifying base. I guess I don't need that little one. Okay. Got that on. Now we're going to go in. We are going to be using for our eyes today. We're going to use the Tarte Pro Glow palette. It is a contour palette, but we're going to use it anyways. However, it doesn't have a matte light shade, so I'm going to use my Creme Brulee from Wet n Wild, 93 cents at Walmart. That's what we're going to do to set that base that I just put on. And I rearranged everything for my new setup, which you guys know because you watched the vlog, right? So you saw that I got twice as much space now. Anyway, if I look like I'm searching for things, it's because I'm searching for things. Okay, next we're going to go in with this color right here, which is the matte color, the only matte color, because this darker one is a cream. So I don't think I've ever used it. But I use this. This is the one I use out of the palette the most. Is this kind of a hot chocolatey look. And I'm using a Morphe. I can't read it. You guys know I can't read it. I can squint all I want. M505. But I have a few Morphes and I think I have a couple IT Cosmetics ones. The IT ones are really expensive though, so I don't usually buy those very often. The Morphe ones, I like the Morphe brushes. And if you wonder what I'm tapping my brush on, I'll show you in just a second. It's a DIY thing I made because my mirror was too low, and I don't know if you've ever watched any of my original, like early videos. I always was going down like this and I'd be out of camera frame. So I had to figure out a way to get my mirror up higher so that I could just go straight across and pretty much stay in frame. So this is what I have. I have this mirror, and it's just, I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's got regular on one side and 10 times the magnification on the other side. I have to have 10 times because I went to my daughter's house and she had like 5 times on one and it was like not working for me. Anyway, this is what I made. This is what I always tap my brush on, and it gets very, very dirty. It is just a candlestick, and then I bought one of these clear candle plates for the giant candles, and I hot glued it on here. And that's what you need to do. You just need to figure out how tall you need it and get the right size candlestick and one of these cheapy little plates. And then this just sits here because I have to be able to take it off because I get a lot of dust on that thing from tapping my brush on there. And I used to keep my glasses like this at the bottom of it, but they would get the shadow and stuff on them, and I'd stick them on, and I get this brown line. So now I've got all this room, I can put them down in front of me. Anyways, back to makeup. I told you which color I was using. I'm using it in the crease, all the way across, up real high, and I put it up real high because I got a lot of space, and I got this bone. My eyes are so deep set that I really want to minimize this bone sticking out. And then, for this look, we're going to go in, darken this outer corner with this. Because, like I said, this is a simple but elegant look. I'm going to go in with this color right here. It has a color name. It's called Fire. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's called Fire. And it's right there. And I'm just going to put that on my lid with my finger. It's kind of gold. I have to look over here because otherwise my finger, I'll get it everywhere. Because it's glittery. And I'd rather keep it on my eyeball if I can. I may have to go in with a wet brush. I think that's what I'm going to do. Because it's just not thick enough. What did I do with that brush? There it is. So I'm just using, it's kind of a flat synthetic brush. And I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus from MAC. And then I'm going to go into that color and just pack it on a little bit heavier so it gets a little more pop. Now I'm going to go into the lighter color, this one right here, the lightest color in the palette. And I'm going to use that same brush that's still got some Fix Plus on it. I'm going to pick some up, both of them, and I'm going to put it in the inner third. And then in the corner. Can you see what I'm doing in the corner here? Okay, that's it. I'm not going to add any more eyeshadow. We are going to go in with our Master Skinny from Maybelline gel liner. I'm going to turn that up. We're going to push line with this. What's wrong with it? It's broken. Great. What the heck? Well, I guess we're not going to use this. Well, that sucks. Guess we'll use something else. And we'll be using the Gigi Hadid today. And it's a Maybelline product, so probably more another Maybelline, which so is this. So it's maybe the same formula. Push line, you just put your little finger on your eyelid and you push. Not hard, just hard enough. See how my eyelid turns up? I mean, my eyelash turns up. That's all I want. I want my eyelash to turn up so that I can take my pencil and write right between the lashes. And since this is the only liner we're going to use today, I need it to go really through the lashes. Like, you know, to the above. And then you go in with a flat brush. This is a Morphe 432. And you just take this and you smudge back and forth from the top to blend that between the lashes. And you're pulling it up at the same time so that you're making a line on top as well as between the lashes. And the further out I go, the higher I pull it, because I'm just gonna have this smudgy liner today. I'm not gonna use a liquid liner also that I normally use, because this is the simple but elegant. But I have to pull it up high on the outside to keep my eyes from looking droopy. And then I try to pull it just a little bit up at the corner and underneath, just to help lift that eye up and give it a little smoke. Just a little bit though. See how it pulls it up? And if your eyeliner transfers to your bottom waterline and you don't want it to, just take a Q-tip and run it across there. And it'll take it right off if you're quick enough. Some of them dry really fast and they are like forever. But with this one, and this one actually is a really good one, and it does dry kind of fast, but I still had time to get it off there. So now I'm going to go off camera and do my lashes. I'm just going to put mascara on them and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the final look for our simple but elegant eye tutorial. When I went off camera, I just did mascara. I used my Cils Lash Boost, and I mostly use this. I don't really know if it boosts because I only started using it after I was also using lash serum. So, but I like it because I think, I'm not sure, but I think it helps take it off. When I go to take it off at night, it makes it easier. So I use it because I have it, and I'm going to use it till it's gone. And then there's supposed to be a L'Oreal dupe for it, so I'll probably try that. And then I used my Laura Geller LashBOSS, which is my favorite mascara, because it gives me length, which is what I want. I don't like it when my lashes get all clumpy, and I know they're supposed to make them look thick, but I don't care. I don't like them clumpy. So I used 2 coats of this and 1 of this. For my lips, I used the Revlon Kiss Cushion, this stuff. And this is the color Fancy Rose. And then on top of it, I put the L'Oreal Color Shine in Lacquered Strawberry. And that is all that I did. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video.